Samsung often releases new models of the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip right before the fall season. The once dominant Galaxy Note series has been comfortably supplanted by the foldable phones, which are presently in their fourth generation. The top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra will obviously be followed by the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, for the title of this year's most expensive Samsung phone. Samsung has consistently improved the design of its foldable phones over time. The devices have mostly retained their appearance over time, but there have been advancements in display technology, durability, new software gimmicks, and more. Of course, the inside hardware is constantly being improved, with stronger SoCs and better cameras being two obvious examples. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is already being described as Samsung's most admired foldable device in this year's rumors. Samsung released the Galaxy Z Fold 4 on August 10, 2022, in accordance with its customary release timetable. In August, the Z Fold 3 was also presented, but it was near the end of the month. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will probably be unveiled this year in mid to late August if Samsung stays true to form. In the past, when Samsung's foldable phones with a booklet-style design were folded, there was always a definite space between the two sides. A recent rumor, however, suggests that this might not be the case with the impending Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to reports, the company will use a teardrop-shaped hinge, like those found on the Motorola Razr 2022 and the Oppo Find N2. When the gadget is folded, this particular hinge design will enable the two sides of the display to close flat on top of each other, giving the device a more seamless and uniform appearance. The rumored teardrop-style hinge design for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to lessen the visibility of the display crease, in addition to giving the folded object a more uniform appearance. Previous iterations, including the Galaxy Z Fold 4, had a pronounced crease in the screen's center when folded. When the phone is closed, the new design will, nevertheless, create a teardrop form, resulting in a more gradual curve and less creasing. The image below shows a patent application Samsung submitted a few years ago for a similar design. According to display industry expert Ross Young, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will come in beige, black, and light blue color variants. These hues will probably be renamed by Samsung to cream, phantom black, and blue. Yogesh Brar, however, disputes these assertions and proposes that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have a camera setup akin to the Z Fold 4, which includes a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 10MP telephoto camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.